Hi there, students. A sinew. Sinews. Okay, a sinew is a cord that goes from bone to bone. It connects bones together so that you can move your piece. So the sinews. I guess your muscles are sinews. Your tendons are sinews as well. So I could see the sinews in his neck standing out as he was straining to lift this heavy weight. I think you can also use sinew metaphorically to talk about part of a structure or part of a system that holds everything together, the mainstay, the center of something. So in anatomy, a sinew is a cord or a tendon in the body. Let's see, I think you have a tendon, which is the bit that goes from the bone to the muscle, and then you have the muscle, and there is a tendon at the other end that joins to the bone again, and that's how you move. But I think all of these parts specifically are sinews. Okay, so a sinew, something that gives strength. Yeah, it gives it consistency. It supports it. So I think you could say that grammar is one of the sinews of language. Yeah, it's something that gives strength and vitality. Honesty and friendship are the sinews of a good society. Okay, so sinew. I think you can you use this to talk about muscle. Yeah, he strained with every sinew of his body. He acted with great moral sinew. Yeah, great strength, great power. Yeah. So what are the sinews of a modern nation? Probably the political system, the workforce, maybe the internet. Okay, they connect everything together. They give it power, potency, might, strength, even puissance. Okay, so a sinew. Something that binds an organization together, that gives it strength. So the workforce are the sinew of a company that manufactures things. Well, maybe no longer. Maybe machines and robots will be the future sinews of these. But I think sinew, a literary word meaning muscle, the muscle power, the strength. Okay, so yeah, I think the English language is one of the sinews of international trade. Yeah, it's something that holds it all together. Yeah, the yeah, for example, a tent. Normally it's got metal bars that are the sinews of the tent. They hold it together. Or maybe the ropes that go down into the earth. These are also sinews. They hold it together. They strengthen it. The sinews of war. So what are the sinews of war? The money needed and the weapons and supplies needed during a war. So the sinews of war, the money to pay for it, the weapons the soldiers use, the supplies for the soldiers. These are the mainstay, the keystone of it. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. I haven't done the formality yet. Okay, sinew, formality. I'm going to give it a 6.5 in formality. Use muscle or structure or something like that more informally. And as to origin, Okay, we've got an Old English word sinew, talking about a tendon, a sinew, or a nerve, from Proto-Germanic senau, meaning a sinew, from Proto-Indo-European sne, a tendon or a sinew. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Sinew.